Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy a phone from Walmart, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First of all, you need to head over to Walmart just like this, and then you see this one, so you need to click on the first one, which is the official website. Now in Walmart, you need to search the phone that you want to buy right over here. Let's say we just search for phone and click on that one, and then wait for some time. Now you see all the phones that are like available will be shown right over here. So let's say that we want this one, right? So we click on this one. After that, we click on add to cart, and then it says that it's added to your cart. So now you head over to your cart, and from there you need to click on continue to checkout just like this. And now I haven't logged in, but once you log in and everything, it's going to ask you for your payment options, how you want to pay for it and everything. So you need to put all of that information in, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.